In this phase MCQs, a body of mass 5 kg is moving with a momentum of 10 kg meter per second. A force of 0.2 Newton act on it in the direction of motion of the body for 10 seconds. The increase in kinetic energy, we know that the increase in kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. So change in kinetic energy is equal to half mvf का square minus half mvi का square. So it can be written as half mvf का square minus vi का square. In this case, we don't know the vf and vf. First, we find the vf and v, final velocity and initial velocity. We know the initial momentum. We can find the initial velocity, that is equal to pi is equal to mvi. Here is the momentum, that is equal to 10 kg per second, that is the mass. So we can find the velocity vi, that is equal to 10 over 5. vi is equal to 2 meter per second. In this case, we find the vi. Now we find the vf. Vf we can find by using formula vf is equal to vi plus at. In this case, we don't know the a. In this case, time, that is given 10 seconds. A we can find by formula of Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to ma f over m. Here is the f, that is given 0.2 Newton, and mass, that is given 5. So acceleration become 0.04 meter per second square. Put in this vi, that is 0.2 plus a, that is the 0.04, time, that is given 10 seconds. So vf is equal to 2.4 meter per second. Put vf and vi in this formula, so we can find the change in kinetic energy. Half mass, that is given 5, vf, that is find 2.4 का whole square minus vi, that is the 2 का square. So change in kinetic energy is equal to 5 over 2, 5.76, 2.4 का whole square minus 4. That change in kinetic energy is equal to multiply by 1.76, that is the change in kinetic energy is equal to 4.4 joule. That is the change in kinetic energy when a body is moving with a momentum 10 kg per meter square. So here is the correct option, is option D, 4.4 joule. If force and displacement of particle and direction of force are double, what would be the, we know the work formula, that is equal to force into displacement. In this case, it says that the force and displacement will be double. So here, when the force is 2f and displacement is 2d, so new work done will be equal to 4ft, that ft is equal to initial work done. So work would become 4 times. So here in this case, option B is correct. The work done would be 4 times. Now we discuss the another MCQ, that is the body is dropped from 1000 meter height. If the potential energy is 8 into 10 ki power 2 joule, what will be its velocity reaching to the ground? Height, that is given 1000 meter. Potential energy, that is equal to 8 into 10 ki power 2 8 joule. We know that the loss in potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy. So we can write formula is here, v square is equal to 2g h, and v is equal to under root 2g h. So v is equal to under root gravity, that is equal to 10, height, that is equal to 1000. So velocity is equal to 2 into 10 ki power to 4, that is equal to velocity 140 meter per second. So here is the close to answer, that is the option C, 141 meter per second.